What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL. We're getting ready for the big one. It is a half-hour countdown until 16-17 to Cup. Teams are going ahead right now. First off, we've got to give away that free spot. So good luck, everyone, except the minis are in on this one, all right? So we're going to go over here. We're going to do it all the same video. So we're live. Good luck. Let's get over to our list here. There's your time, there's your list, there's your teams. All right, so minis don't get a chance at the jersey, guys, or a chance at the free spot, just because this one was so much, like the price tag was so much to get in. Usually if it's $100 or less, I'll give the mini spots a chance at everything. But when you're paying $175 a spot, you don't want to see someone with a mini win the jersey. It'll frustrate you. So it's all good. It was stated clear from the start. All the minis are gone, and we only got the main payers here right now. So there should be a total of 22 and 23. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that is the 30 spots minus our 8 contestants. Good luck. Here we go. 4 randoms. 1, 2, 3, and lucky 4. Wes, there you go, man. That's a good start for your donation. So Wes is taking home the free spot. I'm going to put that. I should have done the timestamps, but it's too late now. I'm going to put Wes's name in here in the middle spot. Wes, congrats there, man. You're in for. I'm just going to put a star by your name because that's the spot that you won. There you go. On the 4th random, in case you want to see it again, 4 randoms. There's your 22 spots. Everybody's in, and here we go with the teams. 30 names, 30 teams, guys. Best of luck. We're going to start with the teams first, all right? And we're going to do timestamps, of course. 9:32, just a bit to turn 9:33. 1, 2, 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 9:33. 9:33 it is. Last and final random here. Last and final here on the teams. You know you're looking for the big Toronto, the big Winnipeg team. 9:33 and 9:33 it is. Let's copy these over. Tampa Bay, top spot. Minnesota, the dreaded Minnesota, at the halfway mark. And then we got Detroit to Pittsburgh, also a good team to have here. There's your teams. Let's match up some names. 9:33 on the clock. And here's your list of names. Spencer all the way down to John. And Wes was in the middle spot there. I just put him in. So good luck. 1. 30 names. 2. 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp. We're live for this in less than a half hour now, so it's go time. 9:34. 9:34. Last and final. Last and final timestamp is 9:34, and 9:34 it is. Adam, top spot, down to Jarvis at the halfway mark. Then we got Brennan to Anthony. All right, folks, there's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in 25 minutes for the break. Please tag me if any trades, and good luck.